Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can create your own use template on Instagram. Let's see. If you want to see a use template option above your reel video, then you have to make or edit video from Instagram. To do that, first open Instagram. Then click on plus icon and go to reel. Then from here, choose your audio. After adding your audio, then go to gallery option and add your photo or video. After adding photo, now set the time duration according to you. Now you have to go to gallery again and add your next photo or video. Then set it to a time duration. Like this one after another, you have to add your all clip and set it to a certain time duration according to you. After adding your all clips, click on next. You can check your video here. After checking it, click on next. Now you are ready to share. After uploading your video, you will be able to see use template option above your video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.